Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you are doing well. So today I'm going to show you how to make aloe vera gel, as it is beneficial both for hair as well as skin. So as I have already cut these two edges of the aloe vera gel, and let me going to show you how to cut these sides. So cut it like this, then go on towards the other side. Then cut the upper layer, or you can say peel off the upper layer of the aloe vera gel. You can also do it with the help of a peeler, but I'm doing as I don't have peeler, so I'm doing it with the knife right now. Okay, now you can remove it like this. You can cut it into small, just for your ease, and go on.